Alright, what's up, man? It's Friday coming in. This is probably gonna be the last video on this TH400 before it goes in the truck. Got it built, everything painted up. This is the heavy duty case. Instead of having the cover on here, it's got the two little bolts. I got a cover here. It's got 6 big bolts holding on the case. So this is a heavy duty TH400 case. I got a Transgo 1 and 2 shift kit in there. Got the Summit Racing deep fin aluminum pan. This pan came with the 12-point sockets or 12-point bolts to go in there. I think they're real nice. Got a new modulator on there. Did a good masking on the paint job. The reason I left this here bare was because there is a solenoid in the transmission, and this here will be grounded to the engine block so that I can get my 12-volt negative ground on there. Left the cooler lines as original. Just got everything looking real nice. You see I got the HD stamp here on the case, and also have a new mount. I leave this loose because I may need to take it off to slide everything in the truck. I'm sliding the engine and the transmission in the truck in one piece, so there may be a little bit of clearance that I need to get it in the truck. But loving this pan. It's actually got a drain plug, so when I get ready to change the oil and filter, I can drain the oil out and then drop the pan instead of having to break a corner of the pan and have transmission fluid rain down on me. So excited. Should probably be going in either tomorrow or the next day. But that's the update on the Turbo 400.